Hi friends, this is Reddy Pawan Reddy. I was full-time classroom student of Sri Chaitanya and I have scored 720 out of 720 in NEET 2020. My journey with Sri Chaitanya was transformative. It wasn't only about academics, it is a holistic approach for success, dedication and discipline became my mantra. In the process of error analysis, I have been rectified my mistakes and I have been succeeded to further growth in the examination. My important step was clearing of all my doubts related to concepts by my teachers immediately. In my preparation, I was focused on solving the problems based on concept. I attended live classes where I absorbed the concept taught by my teachers. In last 1 month, I have been attempted many grand tests which is given by Sri Chaitanya, which has been helped me a lot to answer the questions, and it has been easy to solve the questions as I have been go on to study the weak concepts which I have been not covered in the first revision, and at last month I have been covered that concepts by solving more grand tests, and the errors committed in the grand tests are being covered and rectified by my teachers, which helped me to score easily in the NEET examination. Thank you all. Keep striving for your excellence and success will follow you.